In this video, I'll show you how to recover your hacked Roblox account, even if you've lost access to your email or phone number. Let's get started. First, go to the Roblox login page. Now in the address bar, type roblox.com/support and press enter. This will take you to the Roblox support page. Enter your date of birth as accurately as possible, then click continue. Now fill in your username and your first name. For the email section, enter a new email address that you still have access to. This is where Roblox will contact you. Scroll down to issue details. Select your device, for example computer. Then choose account hacked or can't log in. Select account hacked. Now in the description, type a message like, "Hello, I'm unable to access my Roblox account, enter your username. Because someone has changed my password and email. I can provide more details to verify ownership. Please help me recover my account." Once done, submit the form. Roblox support will reply within a few days. They may ask for more details to confirm the account belongs to you. Once verified, you should be able to recover your account. And that's it. That's how you can recover a hacked Roblox account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.